Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. A few months ago I got a bag of coins that I bought off the internet and they said they were Russian coins. Unfortunately a lot of them were very much the same coins, as you can see from here. The actual bag of coins I bought gave me enough for, I think it was 5 or maybe 6 bags of these coins, and as you will see from this video, unfortunately a lot of them were of the same value and they're at the lower end and they were fairly modern. So when you see these coins advertised on the internet and you see a bag of say 60 coins from somewhere like Russia, they're going to probably be very similar to this. Did I make a mistake? Well, no, because I've got the coins in my set, in my collection, or the bag, should I say, the bag of coins in my collection. However, there is no commemorative ones in here. They're all low value. Most of them have CCPR on them. They have the Russian emblem on them, the USSR or CCCPR, sorry, too many acronyms and too many letters, and they're quite low value. These are 15 kopek and there was 8 of them. There was far more than 8 of them, but there's 8 of them that went into this bag, and they're all varying dates from sort of the 50s through until the 80s. Nothing of any significance at all. They're all the same value coin. In the same bag, whoops, on 9 15 kopek coins, I then had these 10 kopek coins, and there are 7 of them. Nothing of any great value. Again, they're all sort of 60s and 70s, a couple from the 80s as well. I was quite disappointed that there were so many of the same type. There's nothing different. There was no commemoratives in there, which is what I was hoping for. It didn't say that they were all just single kopek coins. And the last 4 coins are even smaller values in kopeks. I've got 3 1 kopek coins and a 2 kopek coin. Again, they tend to be from the 70s and 80s. It will help with a date run, but it didn't give me what I was hoping for. So be very careful if you see this sort of thing advertised, and go into it knowing that you're not going to get commemorative coins. I wasn't 100% sure whether I would or I wouldn't, so I had a feeling I wouldn't, but I was hoping I would. Now, taking from somebody who's bought this pack, you don't get any commemorative coins. You get a lot of low value kopek and the odd ruble coin as well. Yes, I'm a bit disappointed, but I'm disappointed more in myself than I am with the actual purchase. I should have possibly thought about it a little bit more. However, I do have the beginnings of a date run for the Russian coins that I have. I have probably 4 more of these, and they're going to have very similar type of coins in them. And it will be good for my date run for these type of Russian coins. However, as I said, if you want commemoratives, then you're going to have to sort of get those separately, I think, rather than buying them in a bag of this, unless you're fortunate enough to buy them from another collector. This came through. It was in a bag with a plastic topper to it that says Russian coins and all the rest of it. It looked quite professional in the packaging and what have you. So I would imagine it's a company that bought up a load of old Russian low value coinage and put them into bags, hoping people like myself would buy them. As I say, they're good for date runs, which is what I'm going to be using these for, but as I said, I'm a little bit disappointed in myself that I didn't think it through more clearly. I wanted to get some Russian coins, but what I was hoping for and what I wanted wasn't necessarily this when I bought it, which is why it's taken me a while to get round to show them to you. So, you've been told about these, you've been warned, be careful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one, you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 5 videos a week, well 4 videos a week as a minimum, and I've been releasing 5 just recently. I am trying to grow my channel again this year, and I'm looking to try and get up to 250 subscribers by Christmas 2023 or the new year of 2024, beginning of the new year in 2024. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you believe I deserve it, would you at least think about subscribing? I would prefer you to actually subscribe, but if I can get you thinking about it, hopefully when you come back again, I can finally persuade you to subscribe. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.